Good afternoon, and we're back out. It's windy. It's not too bad in the forest, a little bit of a breeze blowing, he says. But yeah, I'm going a bit higher because when you stop, the flies and insects are on you, so I need to be where there's a bit of a breeze, so it keeps them all away. It is nice at the moment, but it's forecast for heavy showers, so I could be ducking and diving for cover. We'll push on. I'll bring you back further up. So we're not having a good start. I got about a mile, just over a mile in on the walk. It's where I first got a signal, so I usually check. I've got an app for the car, make sure it's locked and that. It's telling me one of the windows is down. Now I did have a window down on the way in. The thing was, it was on the driver's side. I got ready on the passenger side, as it was mucky on that driver's side, so I made sure it was locked now, but I thought the window was shut, so I'm having to backtrack. Oh, you don't believe it, the app is talking utter bollocks. Oh dear. I thought it was shut. Oh well, head back. Here we go, follow the stick. Oh, there we are. Right, let's get started. Okay, that's us back on the trail again. Nightmare. Get off flies on the screen. Yeah, I've had to mic up for that wind. It seems to have got a bit stronger. But, that's what I want really. I don't want no wind. Otherwise, you know what that means, don't you? Get eaten alive. So I was going to check up on the sheepfold, but I think it'll just be fly and sort of midge ridden, so I'm just going to go up onto the summit. I'm on the Newcastle Fells, if you haven't guessed, and I'm just going to find a spot somewhere up there. Hopefully not too windy, but you know, enough to keep the insects away. But I will be needing to collect water, so shouldn't have a problem. It's gone a bit overcast now as well, so it did try to rain about 5-10 minutes ago, but it just petered out, unlike what we had last night, which was pretty torrential. Hence why all the little tributaries and streams are all flowing fairly fast. Okay, it's been a good while since I've been down this way. Yeah, it's fairly overgrown. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's been much action around here. I'm looking for said CCTV cameras, but yeah, very concealed if they are. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's been anybody down this for ages. I'll have a look around the back. All is quiet. Oh, pair of barn owls. They were a bit more spooked than me then. Christ, there's a load of them. Nearly cacked myself. Any more? now. Right, it's sat on the post over there. And a buzzard. Right, I'll let them get to it. Right, rain shower. Let's get under these trees. Never one of my local haunts, but these trees haven't half grown since I was last up here. Used to be able to see right across. Yeah, sheltered. You can't even see the cottage from here. So that's how much they've grown. Probably 2 years since I probably camped here, so them trees have gone up that much in 2 years. Shame, but you are fairly sheltered. As soon as I stop here, even with this wind blowing, the flies are around us. It's taking shelter again, another shower coming through. He said there would be showers, so as long as I can dodge them. Yeah, I thought it was passed over, but just as it eased off, it come back on again. I've got the black bag out. That'll keep it dry for now. I'm under the trees here, so I'm out of the worst of it. We'll just let it pass over. Okay, rain's eased off. It's just very light now. But yeah, that was some heavy shower. It's brightening through now, so hopefully that'll be it for now. We're taking shelter again. Just come up behind this big conifer. Managed to get underneath of it. Just airing my coat out. That got a bit of a soaking before, but yeah, just wait for this shower to pass through and then we'll push on again. Yeah, looks like there's more showers incoming. Definitely they're heading this way. But if I can get further up towards those taller trees, that's where I go into the forest and I'll have a lot more shelter in there. And off. Okay, we've come across some running water, a bit peaty but it's running fast, so this will do for me. Okay, we've made it out the forest and yeah, it's not looking good. We're in the clag line as per, eh? So I'm going to pitch over the back somewhere. There's just one slight problem tonight. I haven't brought a tent with us. I thought it would be a good idea to bring the bivvy out for a run out. That might be a bad idea. We'll see when we get further up. It's a wild one on the summit. It's trying to rain. It's not really what I want. I don't want rain. It's supposed to be dry after 8 o'clock. I was just hoping to pitch up the back of this rock so I've got a little bit of protection. I'll have a look. Yeah, I'll just pitch up somewhere around here. Get the baby out and the tarp out, I should be fine. I've barely got a tarp up and the rain is absolutely pelting it down. So I'm just hoping this might pass over. Oh God. This is not good. We'll just sit tight. Yeah, I'm still trapped for now. It's just too heavy, this rain and the wind. I just need for it to blow over. And then hopefully I can properly set this out. I just chucked it up literally to get out of the rain. I wasn't expecting it to be this bad. Forecast is different. It was supposed to be dry after 8 o'clock. No rain. And this isn't set up right. For now. Oh dear. Okay, I'm sort of set up. I'll get the bivvy underneath, but yeah, conditions has turned against us. It's not really ideal, but it's the best I'm going to do in this situation because of the rain. I'm in the snug pack stratosphere, so I've got a bit of, that's got a little frame with it, so it won't be too bad, but I'm going to get back under because the heavy rain's back again. So on the plus side, I don't have a problem with flies or midges. Bloody rain. What I'm worried about is one really big gust of wind could just destroy this tarp in a wanna. Oh god. Well, I'm staying dry at the moment. It's keeping off us, so thankful for small mercies there. I can't even, you know, get out to adjust and get it how I want it really. Time's ticking on, it's 10 to 9. I've had now to eat, I'm starving. Right, I'll maybe get somewhat on to eat. No special tonight, some noodles, and add some chunks of ham in. Right, we'll leave that to do its magic. Yeah, so when I thought I'd left the window open on the car, that was the start of it. And then I've gone and lost me road mic, the part that you clip onto your collar. When I went to get me water, I took it off, put it down. You know, I thought I'd picked it back up, but clearly I haven't. So I'm having to resort back to the cable mic. Luckily I brought that with us because this wind is would have ruined the audio. But yeah, so it's been one of those camps. It's sort of settled down a little bit now. Still a bit windy, but the rain's gone for now. So yeah, got a right mess. But I've managed to have my noodles, my chunky ham in it. Just putting some hot water on for me custard. And I'll be getting the bivvy out later on. But yeah, completely nothing to see. As per, eh? I'll have a little look on the top, over the top. But yeah, it doesn't feel like July. It is bloody cold. I've got to watch these rocks because they're slippy. But yeah, mid-July. Just have to watch these slippy. Yeah, that's pretty wild. Absolutely nothing to see. You can just see the back of my tarp there. Oh yeah, I've camped up here a few times, but I've never done it in the tarp. I thought, you know, being July, it might not be too bad. Stupid boy. Anyhow, we're getting sorted. Yeah, it's decided to clear right through now. Right at the end of the day. Looks like I've got the local owl checking us out. Just flew past there. I don't know if I've managed to catch it. Oh, he's here back again, look. He's coming down. Okay, yeah, so quite an eventful night. A few things went wrong. But it's cleared out now and it is very nice. I can hear some grouse in the moor there, the mist just rolling across, sunset across in the northwest. Hopefully sunrise will be in the morning. It's forecast to be alright in the morning, so hopefully this will settle down. Because that was pretty wild when I was setting up. I thought, oh, this is going to be a case of just pack up and go. But I persevered, stuck it out. You know, and it's worth it in the end, he says. But yeah, once I got this tarp nice and taut, that was my problem. I couldn't get many guys onto it. It's just so wet and windy, so I just chucked it up and sheltered out the way. But yeah, all is good, eh? At the end. Anyhow, I'm just waffling. Bring you back in the morning. Hopefully it'll be a quiet night. Morning campers. Well, it was a relatively quiet night. I don't think we've had any more rain. But we're back in the clag. It did lift last night, but it's gone back down again. I can see some, it is clearing a bit, so hopefully it'll burn off. But yeah, no sunrise as such. There's no surprises there, eh? The wind's still blowing about. I don't think it's as strong. Well, I don't know. So anyhow, I want to get a brew on, get sorted, and head back down the hill. There's the sun trying to filter through this mist. So it is brightening up a little, but it's taking a while. A bit of blue sky above us here. Right, I've got the bivvy rolled up. And have a brew, get the rest of this stuff packed away. He's trying his best to burn through. Cast a bit of light on it, it'll warm things up a bit. Okay, all packed up. You can see where I was last night. The grass will lift back up again, but yeah, the sun is struggling to get through this morning. But, rain's kept off, which makes life so much easier. Right, we'll head down. There's one thing, the old heather is in bloom on the crags, for sure. Okay, we're in the forest, so I'll be looking for me a road mic. I did have a look yesterday. I spent a good 45 minutes ratcheting about without any joy. Where I took it off was some sort of bilberries and long grass and that. I did search, but nothing. Couldn't find a thing. But yeah, maybe this morning. Very, very doubtful. Problem was, I didn't just walk up through the forest. I was following there's like a little stream runs on the edge of the forest. So I followed it up so far, then I crossed over onto the path and then back through, and I can't really exactly remember where I was crisscrossing. So I don't know. It's just one of those things. I've lost mics before, it's not the first one. I stopped where I'd picked up water yesterday, and I'd done a little bit of filming, so I had a look back at the footage, and it was the area I was at, and I thought maybe when I put my bag on I've maybe flicked it off somewhere, but I searched all around, couldn't find it. Right, that's just one of the things in it. But yeah, we're out the forest, on the forest track now, so it looks like it's a lot brighter towards the west or lower down even. Yeah, someone having a laugh? Okay, well, it was one of those camps. Camp of losing things. First off, heading back to the car to check the window, which was actually shut. Then I lost my microphone further up the hill, and it turns out this morning I've lost my titanium spoon. So yeah, one of those camps. But yeah, it was good to get out in the tarp and the bivvy. You know, it was just a bit of a mare last night pitching up when that rain come, and it just got really gusty when that rain come through. So, but we sheltered and we survived, and we managed. It was all quiet after that really. So thanks for watching. We'll see you out on the next one.